Welcome home, friend. You're about to tour one of the largest homes that Coventry Home Builders has to offer in their Southpointe community in Mansfield, Texas. This home is stunning, so step inside with me and see why it's such a popular floor plan. This two-story home features 5 bedrooms, plus a dedicated office, 4 full bathrooms, 3 car garages, and over 3,700 square feet of living space. As you enter this home, you are wowed with tall ceilings in the foyer, an amazing staircase, a formal dining space with tray ceiling features, and a dedicated office with French doors. Then as you move along the house, you'll find a grand fireplace, which is the heart of this home. In the kitchen, you'll find gorgeous modern cabinets with built-in ovens, a drop-in cooktop, all powered by gas, with an amazing breakfast nook with so many windows. You're going to love having coffee here. There's also a butler's pantry with an added counter space to enhance your family gatherings. Towards the back of the home is your sanctuary, a private owner suite with lots of windows for natural light, with a private bath and a huge walk-in closet which connects to the laundry room for your convenience. Also downstairs, you'll find a bedroom and a full bathroom. Upstairs, you'll find a spacious loft with more tray ceiling features, a built-in office nook, 3 additional bedrooms, and 2 full bathrooms. During the summer, entertain in style under your covered back patio or take the kids out to relax in the community green spaces. There are miles of trails, there's 2 lakes with fountains, playgrounds, a resort-style amenity center, and a pool. Located in the highly coveted Mansfield ISD, this home is zoned for Norwood Elementary School, Martinez Intermediate School, which is just a block away, and Lake Ridge High School. It won't last long, so call us today to schedule an appointment to come see this fabulous home brought to you by Ludwin Margie Real Estate.